made these as well for the breakfast.
Supermax. Nice, 1970s.
Boxing gloves, and he had a couple of Peloton.
Modern man. There we go, some bubbles.
No, he's at the farm right now.
Now this one I am not familiar with. The Greco.
So, you want to grab the
Did you just put that on?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Oh, good. Did you know it, or you were just checking it out?
Oh, I mean, I know that's because
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Lovely.
Everything's so fast now, right? Or even if you
Well,
flip it over, right? This is such a different experience.
I hope that's all right.
in there,
We put it
we
on.
went to Davis
Play.
with
A
Dave.
little bit of music helps.
You know, you
I'm going to get behind here because I'm going to take on my job.
There you go.
JOB. What's?
That means
Oh yeah, look at that.
I've got a niece that
That's $4, Jane.
I know.
For you, it could be $3.
I hear a little bit that
way.
way. But other than that,
What about? do
I
they
have
all
2 copies of this, so
do
that's
they
why
all-
it's here.
Do they all have prices on?
No, I have to make up stuff sometimes.
Okay. All right.
Like I just go like, well, what did I buy? That basically most all of them, except for like some of them, if I don't know the price and I want to put a price on it, I kind of figure out what it's selling for on Discogs.
Okay.
But if it's not,
but it's
if it had a price tag on it, then that's what it's selling for. Like in other words, at some point I stopped taking all the records price tags off them. A long time
So
ago.
like the $3.95 one from
Yeah.
1992.
It's still $3.95. It might be worth a lot more in somebody's books, but whatever I bought it for, that's reasonable. Like you know, if I'm offloading, because these are all culls for my collection. If I'm offloading, then whatever I bought it for is what it sells for. Like it might be a fancy record that.
Well, he's DJ.
Oh no, I can do
Oh,
it.
you're gonna DJ.
No, I'm not gonna DJ.
Oh.
I'm not gonna DJ. No, I don't know. I might DJ.
that costs
I might not. Yeah, that was that. I like that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So what is this room?
Oh, so the room is like basically it's like the record store I'd like to go to, or something. Or it's also like just some collection of my fascinations. If you are what you listen to and you are what you eat, it's a little bit of like just that. But I have like a selection of like there's a lot more I could put in here just with time. That would, or maybe another one, or who knows what.
It's hard for me to remember just because I've told these stories 100 times. It doesn't mean that everybody has.
CDs are super cheap, the cassettes are cheap. Very kind.
Go ahead.
This is a great room. This is what a record store ought to look like.
It's a little more spacious than a lot of record stores. That's only a matter of time, though. Like it could definitely be filled up more.
Yeah. Oh, there's always room for more.
Yeah. You start figuring out all sorts of spots you can put them.
Yeah.
putting the record back in its cover, you know. Yes, and the vibe, yes.